Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today will be a short quick tips video on the Kindle Paperwhite. I'll be showing you how to enable the page number to be visible whilst reading. By default, the page number is not visible and instead displays the timing left in chapter, which I don't find useful at all. So to set this up, tap on the top right hand side of the screen, then the upper and lowercase a's, then make sure that the More tab is highlighted. Then tap on Reading Progress and make sure that the page in book is selected. Then head back to your book and you can see that the page number is displayed at the bottom left of the screen. However, this also added a page left in chapter which I haven't found a way to remove. If you do know how to remove it, then I'd appreciate if you could let me know down in the comment section below. Alright guys, I hope you found this video to be useful. If you did, I'd appreciate if you could leave a like, subscribe to the channel and click the notifications bell so you won't miss my next upload. Until then everyone, stay safe.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.